Welcome to the ePodcast Mike, where every story inspires growth, wisdom, and reflection. Today's story is about a special creature, not just strong, but smart. Let's listen to the story of Aaric, the wise wolf. Story begins. Once upon a time, deep in the mountains, there lived a wise old wolf named Aaric. Unlike other wolves who hunted and roamed wildly, Aaric lived alone in a quiet cave, spending his days thinking, observing, and learning from nature. Other animals respected him and often came for advice. One day, a young fox ran to his cave, trembling. Wise wolf, the forest is in danger. A group of hunters has entered, and everyone is panicking. What should we do? Eric calmly opened his eyes and said, Panic never solves problems. Tell the animals not to scatter. Bring them to the riverbank. I have a plan. The fox rushed back. Soon, animals of all kinds, rabbits, deer, squirrels, birds, gathered near the river. Eric stood on a high rock and addressed them. We cannot fight humans, but we can outsmart them. He explained that if all the animals moved silently to the north side of the forest, where thick fog always lay, they would confuse the hunters. Eric knew the wind would change by nightfall, covering their tracks with mist. The plan worked. By morning, the hunters found nothing. Frustrated and lost in fog, they gave up and left. The forest cheered for Eric, but he simply smiled and said, Wisdom is not about strength. It's about seeing clearly when others are blind with fear. From that day on, Aaric was not only known as the wise wolf, but also the silent guardian of the forest. Moral of the story. In difficult times, calm thinking and wise planning can save many. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the ePodcast Mike, where stories inspire hearts and minds.